COXS BAZAR, Bangladesh. A field hospital being set up by the Malaysian government near the Kutupalong and Balukhali refugee camps here will provide specialist care for Rohingyas when it begins operations on December 1st. Construction of the 50-bed medical facility located in Ukhiya is expected to be completed just 3 days prior on Monday, November 27th, to treat the ill among the more than 600,000 refugees from Myanmar's Rakhine state here. During a visit to the hospital site on Saturday, 13 members of the Malaysian parliament were briefed that the facility will serve as a referral hospital for serious illnesses and medical cases. Defense Ministry Epidemiology Clinical Specialist Colonel Dr. Marshal Moideen, who is the acting chief technical advisor for the project, said that the Malaysian hospital will be manned by 50 health ministry staff members comprising specialists, medical officers, as well as psychiatrists and support staff. This hospital will be the most complete facility at the refugee camps, with services provided at par with a district specialist hospital, once it is up and running. It will also receive patients who are referred here by district hospitals around the area. The hospital will be able to provide specialist care including surgery and treatment for infectious diseases, he said during the briefing. Dr. Arshal said that they expect to receive a high number of cases, especially for gastroenteritis, ulcers and maternity cases, among others, due to the refugees' unsanitary living conditions and the fact that many of the female refugees are victims of rape. He said that the hospital will also offer psychiatric treatment for rape victims while a team of public health officials will be on hand to assist in hygiene and vector control. Speaking on the progress of works to set up the hospital, Dr. Arshal said that they began erecting the structure only on Saturday morning due to a glitch in logistics, but have so far completed 30% of the hospital. Dr. Arshal was briefing 13 Malaysian MPs, led by Dewan Rakyat Deputy Speaker Datuk Seri Dr. Ronald Kiandi, who spent about 30 minutes overseeing the construction work. As of 8 a.m. Sunday, the New Straits Times has learnt that progress on the hospital's construction has reached 70%, with the 100 meters by 70 meters tent now erected. Earlier, the elected representatives from Barisan Nasional, PA and PKR visited the Balukhali refugee camp, which currently houses 621,000 Rohingyas. They spent about 3 hours observing the refugees' living conditions and delivered aid of basic necessities and blankets to 300 families. In his speech when launching a Malaysia-sponsored madrasah at the camp, Deputy Transport Minister Datuk Aziz Kaprau, who is Sri Gading MPBN, told the refugees that Malaysians will always be there for them. He said the Malaysian government carries the aspiration of its citizens who want the Rohingyas' rights to be defended. Our Prime Minister took the issue of the Rohingyas up to the U.S. President. We will be with you until the end, he said. The MPs, together with delegates from the NSC, the National Disaster Management Agency (NADMA), the Transport Ministry and the Office of the Deputy Prime Minister, are on a 2-day visit to COXS BAZAR for a first-hand look at Rohingya refugee camps, which are the largest in the world. Other MPs in the group are Datuk Nur Sanadin Moharan Rashid BN Kota Tinggi, Datuk Dr. Nur Azmi Ghazali BN Bagan Sarai, Datuk Ago Anak Dagang bin Akanawit, Datuk Rami Unggi Bintenam, Fuchsia Salapi KR Quantan, City Zilamo Yusuf Pas Rantau Panjang, Datuk Dr. Nick Mazi and Nick Mohammed Pas Basar Puda and Datuk Kamrud and Jafar PKR Tumpat.